past continuous, affirmative form. Alright everyone, let's delve into the world of the past continuous tense. We use this tense to describe several things that happened in the past, but it's not just for things literally happening at that very second. Let's explore the different situations where the past continuous shines. First, actions in progress at a specific time. This is the most common use. It describes what someone or something was doing at a particular moment in the past. Examples: I was writing this at 7 a.m. to ask for permission. She was making breakfast at 5:30 a.m. She had to leave home early. In the history class, they were reading a book about the Aztec civilization. Second, background action interrupted by another event. This sets the scene for a past event by describing something happening in the background when another action occurred. Examples: we were walking in the park when it started to rain. The mail carrier was delivering the mail when the dog bit him. People were commuting by bus today when public transportation went on strike. Third, unfinished actions. This describes an action that had already started but wasn't completed before another event or a specific point in time. Examples: she was getting ready for bed when you called. The children were building a sandcastle on the beach when the tide started to come in. I was practicing the piano when my neighbor came over to complain about the noise. Fourth, repeated or annoying actions. This emphasizes the frequency or bothersome nature of an action that happened repeatedly in the past. Examples: my little brother was always teasing me during the car ride, driving me crazy. The neighbors were constantly blaring their music all weekend, making it hard to relax. During the movie, the person behind me was continually kicking my seat, ruining my enjoyment. When not to use the past continuous. For habitual actions or states, don't use the present continuous for completed actions in the past, neither to express facts or habits in the past. Great, so now let's check what structure we have to follow to use past continuous in the affirmative form correctly. The first aspect is the subject. Remember, it is any person, animal, object, or situation acting, plus the auxiliary verbs of the verb to be in past form: was, or, were, plus the main verb with the ing, plus the complement, any extra information that brings context enriching the sentence. Remember, some verbs don't take the ing form in the past continuous because these describe states of being or feeling that don't progress like actions. These have to stick with their base form in the past tense, like think, see, smell, and some others. If you want to know why, don't miss our next video. So there you have it. Now you understand that past continuous wasn't just for actions happening right this second, right? With a little practice, you'll be mastering this tense in no time. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. We're here to help you understand these concepts and more. Don't forget to visit us on our website. There you will find useful sources, or you can book a tutoring session. That's all for today. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.